We have been using the toothbrush for ages. They do a decent job in cleaning our teeth. However, it is hard to brush our teeth as well as dentists suggest, no matter what kind of brush we use. Now there's CHIIZ, a sonic-powered automatic toothbrush invented to make your toothbrushing simple, smart, and in the right way. The revolutionary toothbrush fits your mouth perfectly and covers every one of your teeth. It cleans your teeth thoroughly and helps to protect your gums. CHIIZ is very easy to use. Apply the special toothpaste mousse around the bristles. Pop into your mouth and bite down slightly, and it will automatically start brushing your teeth for 30 seconds. CHIIZ uses sonic technology to clean your teeth. Situated in the middle of the toothbrush, the sonic motor generates 25,000 slide strokes per minute that go evenly to every bristle that covers your teeth. Sonic vibration action creates the foaming bubble to shake off plaque in the cracks between each teeth and gum line. The soft bristles are directed in a 45-degree angle against your gingival cup, as base method suggests. CHIIZ helps you brush your teeth automatically and correctly, so you don't have to worry about inappropriate brushing angle and strength and gum disease caused by them. Take CHIIZ anywhere, traveling or camping, in the office, public restroom, at the airport, or even in the hospital. It brushes your teeth in just 30 seconds. You can save time when you're brushing your teeth. CHIIZ is made of waterproof and antibacterial material. Every time after brushing, you just have to rinse it with running water. Your teeth will feel clean and fresh every day and night after using CHIIZ.